Morning dear students, welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I'm your English teacher. You all know that yesterday we have started a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, Noun Gender. Today we will do 2 exercises in the book only. Fill exercise A and B in the book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, start the work. Dear students, today we will do some exercises from lesson number 5, that is nouns gender. So everyone open page number 25. Write down classwork. Put the date, that is 25th June 2021. Dear student, mention date and classwork. Okay. Now exercise A. Write F for the nouns which belong to the female group and write M for the nouns which belong to the male group. This is a girl, so it belongs to the female group. It is an uncle, so it belongs to the male group. Auntie, it again belongs to the female group. Then it is a king, it belongs to the male group, so you will write M over here. Now next to second page, it is an auntie, so it belongs to a female group and you will write F over here. And then it is a boy, it belongs to the female group. It is a grandfather, it belongs to the, it is a boy, it belongs to the male group. It is a grandfather and it belongs to the male group. It is a grandmother, it belongs to the female group, so we will write F over here. Now we will come to exercise B, that is underline the female group words and circle the male group words. We have to underline female group words and circle the male group words. So first one, sir, may I drink water? So sir is male group word, so we are circling it. Now second one, his daughter plays with me. Underline the female, means daughter is a female group person, so we will underline it. The priest blessed me. Priest is a boy, right? All the priests are boys, so we will circle it. 2 ladies want to meet you. 2 ladies. We will ladies underline because it belongs to female group. My father works in the office, right? So we will circle father because it belongs to male group. She is my sister. We will underline it because it belongs to female group. His brother is very naughty. We will circle brother. 8th one, my aunt came to meet me. We will underline aunt. 9th one, the king took a round of his kingdom. So we will circle king because it belongs to male group. 10th one, the headmistress is absent today. We will underline headmistress because it belongs to female group. I'm going to my grandpa's home tomorrow. We will circle grandpa. 12th one. Our maid did not come yesterday. So we will underline it. The air hostess was welcoming. Hostess, it is a female group. So it is a female group. We will underline it, not circle it. Okay. We will underline it. The food was served to us by the waitress. We will underline waitress. Many women and men were campaigning for the cleanliness drive. We will underline women and then we will circle it men. So here we have done 2 exercises in our book. Fill it in your book only and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. If you have completed your work, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Your homework is learn the exercise A and B from lesson 5. Nouns, gender. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.